Hey, Michael, I thought you said you were stationed in Texas. So how'd you end up here in Louisiana?
To make a long story short, I got a call bound into the altercation. All personnel of a high enough rank within the immediate area are already dispatched, so I was sent out instead.
Yeah, that sounds about right. The rest of the months have been real busy out here.
You can say that again.
Yeah, that sounds about right.
I didn't actually need to say it again. It was a figure of speech.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
I thought everyone knew that.
I know I was making a joke.
Guys, do you hear that? Get out of the way, it's coming right for us.
But what's that guy's problem?
Ram, take the other sheets back to the research center. We'll meet up later.
Got it.
The buildings, they're infested with entities.
A bunch of heads came out of the windows.
And a car almost hit us before snatching into the building.
This place is not safe any longer.
Okay. First of all, did you find what tripped the motion sensor in the warehouse?
Because he had its own.
Come here. I figured out a plan to help the people in the city. If you see here, that's a radio tower. Now his tower was damaged by an airborne entity shortly before the sign turned red. But I've not been able to communicate via radio to the broader world since. If one of you can climb to the tower and repair the antenna, then we'll be able to broadcast a message warning people of the danger. You call all other NERA facilities for help. That is, if there are any others left. Then I must warn you, there still are entities surrounding the tower's borders. So getting there might prove to be a challenge. As a heads up, the next time we meet will be at a makeshift NERA structure. I'm giving a nod with this location.
What do you guys think?
So, there's a high likelihood of death, but little chance of success.
So what are we waiting for?
Okay. Let's plan out how we're gonna blow this off.
You don't see the tower yet. Over.
Yes, but just barely. Over.
Michael, there's an entity to your right.
Do you think it saw us?
I don't know. Honestly, I don't even know how those things see in general. But that's the least of our worries right now.
Let's stay low for now. Shoot, there's more. The antenna's repaired. Over.
The distraction's in place. We're safe to come down. Over. Why are you looking back? Get in the car. We need to leave.
How those repairs working and they were able to send the signal. Otherwise it was all for nothing.